Hello, let's solve a system of two equations with two unknowns by elimination. But let's solve this system by adjusting both equations. Adjusting meaning making sure that x's or y's will eliminate once we add the equations together. So in this case, if we would just add them together right away, what would happen? 2x plus 3x, 5x, so x is not eliminated. 2y plus 5y, 7y, so y is not eliminated. So just adding them the way they are will not work. Instead of adjusting both of the equations, we could actually just, for example, if we want to eliminate x, just multiply the top equation by 1.5, 1.5. So 1.5 times 2, negative 1.5 times 2 would be negative 3. So this would be negative 3x. And then when we add 3x to it, x will be gone. But let's not do that in this case. Let's actually just use integers. So if we are to use integers, then we obviously have to multiply both equations, because there is no integer that will multiply 2 to make 3, or the multiply 2y to make 5y. So let's do it. Let's eliminate x. We could as well eliminate y, but let's say we decided to eliminate x. Well, to eliminate x, since 2 and 3 have nothing in common but 1, the good way to go would be to just multiply the top by the bottom coefficient and then multiply the bottom by the top coefficient, but make sure it's negative. Now we are making it negative because for the variables to eliminate, they have to have the same coefficient, but one of them being positive, one negative. We could have said, well, times negative 3 here and times positive 2 here. That would still give us the solution. So let's multiply the top equation by 3. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 2y is 6y. And then 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Negative 18. And let's multiply the bottom equation. So negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. And see how we already have 6x and negative 6x. So when we add the equations together, they are going to be eliminated. Negative 2 times 5y is negative 10y. And then negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. This just happens that both of them are negative 18. It doesn't really have to be the case. Now what we need to do is add them together. When we add them together, 6x plus negative 6x will just go away, no x. 6y minus 10y will give us negative 4y. And the negative 18 plus negative 18 will give us negative 36. Now all we need to do is divide both sides by negative 4 to get y. So y is actually equal to 9. Now that we have y, we need to take that y and put it into, replace the y in one of the original equations. Doesn't really matter which one. So for example, we decided to take the y and put it into equation number 1. So if we do that, then we are going to have 2x plus 2 times, and then instead of y, we use 9, and then equals to negative 6. So 2x plus 2 times 9 is 18 equals to negative 6. So we subtract 18 from both sides. So we have 2x is equal to, this will be negative 24. All we need to do now is divide both sides by 2 to get x. So we get x equals, and this will be negative 12. So we figured out that our x is negative 12, our y is 9, and these are the solutions for our system. I hope you liked the video. If you do, click like, click subscribe, and don't forget to smile.